Brother Pedro Espada is here to speak to us and give us his words on health and what he's brought up to the Davidson Center. And of course, we want to thank him.
Thank you. Thank you. Muchísimas gracias. Buenos días, familia. ¿Cómo estamos? Good day. How are you? I think we have to use this right, or else we won't project. I should have eaten. Está bien. ¿Estamos bien?
Bien.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much, Angel. Davidson Community Center. Thank you for your 30 years of service to this community. It's no accident that when you want to make partnerships, you go to the people that have been making a difference for so many years. And that is the issue here in this community. Having a partnership by the state government, the state senate, the majority leader's office, with a known entity that has achieved real results in their community. Today, we want to talk about a real problem. Long before the studies made the Bronx the unhealthiest county in New York State and the United States of America, we knew we had a problem. That's why you've been doing the tremendous work you've been doing. Others of you, community leaders, faith leaders in our community, have been doing your part. But what has been lacking is the kind of resources, to make a difference. What are we talking about? We're talking about 1 in 3 youth who are suffering from obesity. We're talking about the kind of epidemic in type 2 diabetes that is running wild in our communities. We're talking about pediatricians that tell me on a daily basis that kids are walking in 8 and 9 years old, over 250 pounds, into their offices. We're talking about pediatricians who are telling me that those same young people are registering the kind of cholesterol levels that you would have seen in years past in 40, 50, and 60-year-olds. This is the kind of epidemic that we're dealing with. We either pay now, we invest now at the front end, or we pay later in terms of kidney disease, cardiovascular disease, and other very, very costly chronic disease entities that the hospitals and tertiary care institutions will have to deal with. And so today, we're very pleased to invest $200,000 in an effort to create a free farmers market in the Bronx, led by the esteemed Davidson Community Center. And this is just a very small down payment on what we're going to do. We're going to be able to buy a van with this money so that we can transport free fruits and vegetables to various locations throughout the Bronx. We'll also be able not just to deliver free things, because everyone will want to grab free things. But the idea here is not a giveaway. It's an investment and an education in creating new lifestyles. And so Angel, with his group of educators and people that he has been working with in this community, will continue to try to provide the answer, the long-term answer, which is, how do we change lifestyles? How do we enjoy the kinds of foods we all grew up eating and cook them differently? How do we evaluate the fat content, the caloric content in the foods that we eat? Let's get educated about what that food, that intake, is doing to our bodies. Let's respect our bodies as the temples of nutrition that they should be, because we need these bodies to last a long time. I tell people, I am blessed with having great DNA. My grandfather is 101 years old. He lives in Humacao. He walks up and down. But this generation, your grandchildren, my grandchildren, your children, my children, will be the first generation to have a shorter lifespan. Let me repeat that. The first generation in history to have a shorter lifespan than their parents. An average of 7 years less than you and I live will our children live. And so we need to be very careful. This is an incredibly important investment. The Bronx, from the label of the unhealthiest, will lead the way to a healthier New York and a healthier America. We will show the way as we always have. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Senator. Senator, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it alone. I have my residents here. We are getting commitments from the parents, from the CBOs that are here, from Fritz. Fritz is an organization of Mount Hope, as you know.
We know him well. Thank you.
Fritz is going to be working with us in this initiative, and our board members here, and of course with other CBOs that are also under this facility here. We of course want to thank you very much, Senator, for being here, and thank you so much for whatever it is that you're doing for us and giving us this. Surprisingly, I wasn't sure about what was the amount, but this is really bringing me. I'm left without words. Thank you so much for being here. I want to just thank the Senator, his staff that has been working with us, Department of Government that's been here. Thank you so much.
Vamos a firmar esto, ¿verdad?
Fírmalo,
We're
fírmalo.
going to sign this to make it official.
Make it official, healthy.
Extra official.
Oye, dame algo que escribe.
Un bolígrafo.
Healthy pen.
Even a pen.
Healthy lifestyles.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Que disfruten. Enjoy. God bless you. Muchísimas gracias.
Right here. Look at me. Thank you. One more. Okay, just wait. There's gonna be others.
Can you give me one?
Yep.
There you go.
No, you're